Hey everybody, my name's Anna, aka Glitter and Lasers, and today I'm taking over JCPenney's channel to show you a quick get ready with me. This is actually the second video in a two-part series. The first video is live on my channel now and features a ton of great gift ideas as well as some secrets to wrapping presents like a pro. So without further ado, let's go get ready. So now I'm gonna get ready. First, I'm gonna spray my hair with this Chi Iron Guard thermal spray, which is gonna protect it from the heat, which is important because I'm gonna be using this Paul Mitchell 3-in-1 curling iron to give myself a cool beachy wave. Now the trick to getting this perfect beachy wave is to do your hair in sections and to start at the root, not at the tip. This is gonna give you a lot more volume and give you a nice subtle wave. Once we've styled our hair, we're gonna set it with this Big Sexy Hair spray and play. This is gonna make sure our style stays for the entire day and that we look fierce and fabulous with no worries about our hair falling. First thing I'm gonna do is add bronzer to my face, and I'm using Hoola by Benefit. Once our bronzer's done, we're gonna add a little blush using this cream Fenty blush in a color called Strawberry Dip. Now I like to apply this to a brush and then just lightly brush it on my face and then sometimes smear it a little bit with my fingers. It sounds messy, but it looks fabulous. Once our cheeks are done, we're gonna move on to our eyes and we're gonna use this Naked Urban Decay palette in Ultraviolet. And we're gonna use two colors out of this palette. The first is VR, and I'm gonna put this all over my lid. And then I'm gonna take a little bit of the color Digital, and then I'm gonna blend it into the corners to add a little bit of drama. Last, I'm gonna finish with my favorite neutral lip color, Pillow Talk by Charlotte Tilbury, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put a nice coat of that, and mwah, I am done, and doesn't she look fabulous? Now it's time to get dressed. So I take the rest colored shirt and I tuck it into the skirt. This is gonna give me waist definition. Then I add on some jewelry. I loved this earring and necklace combo. The tortoiseshell really works with the warm tones of this outfit and adds a little je ne sais quoi. I'm saying a French word because it's fancy. Then I put on these new boots, which I am super obsessed with and I think are very on trend right now. And last but not least, it is cold outside, so I put on my big comfy cardigan to keep me warm. Now, the great thing about this look is with the cardigan, it looks great, or I can take it off if I'm indoors and get hot and still look completely put together. So it's the ideal look for celebrating the holidays. Now that I'm all gussied up, it's time for me to show you what I picked out for my friends and family as gifts. For my goddaughter, I got a faux fur coat because she's just as glamorous as me. For my godson, I got this adorable playset. It has reinforced knees, so I know it's gonna stand up to all of his shenanigans. For my best friend, I got a hairbrush set because my goddaughter has ruined hers. For my best friend's husband, I got some extra long sweatpants. He has a really hard time finding them and JCPenney carries them, so win-win. For my stepmom, aka the woman who already has everything, I got a sequin mask because now she can be safe and stylish. For Batman, my dog's best friend, yes, I got my dog's best friend a present. I got a cute little sweater from St. John's Bark. And for me, well, that's a secret. You're gonna have to go watch the video on my channel to find out. You can click the link down in the description box and watch part 1, learn what's in this little box, learn more about all the amazing gifts I've shown you already, and learn some fun wrapping techniques. So thanks so much for getting ready with me today. I love showing you how I put together this look and sharing with you some last minute gift ideas that I got from my friends and family. You can find links to everything down in the description box or pick them up at your local JCPenney. I hope you have an amazing rest of your day. I'll check you later, and peace.